Hello everyone, welcome to our Decor channel. We are share some door handles and door fitting knobs ideas. We are share the lower on back plate handles, lever on rose handle, into rectus knob set PVC door handle, pull handle, plates handle, smart door controls. We have a selection of style available as well as a range of finishes. So whether it is bars, nickels or polished chrome doors, Metrosticks locks offer better doors security. If you consider what is the most secure lock to in scale on your front entry, tubular lock design journal popularity become they are quicker to fit and they do not require special tools or training to installed and there are foreseen as rec- simple entry system. However, it is exactly for these reasons that Mortix locks offer to greater level of security. 18 types of door fixture. Hangi is fixture which help the door to rotate freely along its axis. There are so many types of hangis. Boot hangis, there are most common type of hangi used for door and windows. It has two flungies made of cast iron or steel. One flungies is screwed the door and the other is one square for frame. Counter flip hangi, parliamentary hungis, spring hungis, garnet hungis, strips hungis, pin hungis, knot maddy hungis, bolts, hooks, and ice type of bolts, flash bolt, I'll drop bolt, barrel bolt, animal shape. If you like my ideas, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.